Australia witnessed a record daily number of new coronavirus cases this year on Saturday, with the country's most populous states of New South Wales, Victoria, and Queensland recording a total of 361 cases of the highly infectious Delta variant. With about 15 million people in the three states, or 60% of Australia's population under a strict lockdown. The country also reported 5 coronavirus related deaths, one of the highest this year. NSW suffered its worst pandemic day, reporting 319 new locally acquired COVID 19 cases, with Sydney and neighbouring regional centres spanning 200 kilometres of coastline under a stay at home order for 6 weeks already. There are 345 people admitted to hospital in NSW, with 56 in intensive care and 23 under ventilation. New South Wales authorities, who had been reluctant to put Sydney into a lockdown, said lack of observance of rules has been a problem. Neighbouring Victoria saw the highest daily jump in cases this year, with 29 new infections, as the state remains under a snap 7-day lockdown imposed earlier this week, the state's sixth since the start of the pandemic. Queensland recorded 13 new cases, with all but one isolating while infectious, bringing hopes that the 8-day lockdown in parts of the state will be lifted as planned on Sunday afternoon. With just over 36,000 COVID 19 cases and 937 deaths, Australia has avoided the high caseloads of other developed countries, but its vaccination figures are among the lowest, with only 20% of people aged over 16 fully vaccinated.